guys, for those who are new to my channel, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you a hot trend right now on Instagram. I'm going to show you how to make a terrazzo cake and rice paper fans also. If you guys want to learn how to make these techniques, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. you do the terrazzo cake, there's many techniques out there. I prefer the carving one. So to me, it's the easiest one. You simply fill in the gaps to whatever shade that you want, and then you smooth it out, and everything is nice and smooth and evened out. But you can also use parchment paper or even acetate sheet. You just put your dots of buttercream everywhere on your acetate sheet, and then you cover it up, the complete sheet, with your main color. So let's say it would be a white buttercream, and then you cover your cake, you put it in the freezer, bring it back, unwrap it, and then you get the same effect, but it will be kind of bumpy. So I prefer the carving technique because everything is nice and smooth. For the rice paper, I also, again, there's many techniques out there. I prefer painting it before, but you can also paint it after once it's done. If you're painting your rice paper, make sure that you're not wetting it too much, because then it will come soggy, it's going to stick together, and it's going to be a hot mess. So I would highly suggest, for those who are new to this with rice paper, fold it before and then paint it after. And so just to glue them together, use a little bit of water, not a whole lot, just a little bit. And sometimes it will crack. In the video, I show that mine cracked, and I show how to fix it. Super simple. You just put a little dot of water, brush it just a little bit, and then you stick them together, and it should be nice and good to go. For the flowers, I use synthetic flowers, so also make sure to just be careful with the flowers that you're using. And also what I did is that I didn't use any straws this time. As you can see, you can only use a big dab of buttercream, and then you put your flour inside, and then that's it. The buttercream will protect your cake from the between your cake and the flour. So that is it. I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want more videos like this, well, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.